In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Perplexity AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get in and start exploring what Perplexity can do for you. First, go to the Perplexity website. You can use any modern browser. If you don't remember the exact URL, just search for Perplexity AI and open the official site. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Continue button. Click. Continue to move forward. This takes you to the sign-in screen where you can choose how you want to log in. Perplexity lets you log in using your email or through trusted providers like Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft. Pick the option that's most convenient for you. Click your selected account to proceed. If you choose email, you'll follow the on-screen prompts from Perplexity to confirm access to that email. If you use Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft, you'll be briefly taken to that provider to confirm permission and then returned to Perplexity. Just follow the prompts you see. They're straightforward and typically only take a moment. After you've logged in, Perplexity may suggest a plan. You'll see information about upgrading, including the Pro plan. If you're just getting started, you can skip this step and subscribe later. Skipping doesn't lock you out of the experience. It simply keeps you on the free tier while you explore. If you already know you want more advanced capabilities or higher usage limits, you can opt into a plan right away, but it's perfectly fine to decide later. Once you're in, you can start exploring the features of Perplexity. Think of it as a smart research and answer engine. In the main prompt area, you can write your message or search for something specific. Be clear and specific about what you need. For example, if you're working on something related to your business, describe your goal, the context, and any constraints. The more precise your question, the more useful the response will be. You can ask for summaries, comparisons, step-by-step explanations, or suggestions to help with planning and decision-making. As you interact, pay attention to the sources or references provided when available, and refine your question if you need more detail or a different angle. Short, focused follow-ups often produce the best results. If you skip the plan earlier, remember you can always revisit the upgrade options later from within your account. That's it. You went to the Perplexity website, clicked Continue, chose how to log in, decided whether to explore plans now or later, and you're ready to type your first message and start discovering what Perplexity can do for you.